Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see real-world application problems related to subtraction of fractions. Okay, let me explain this problem. Let us say there is a building which occupies 1/4 of an acre. Let me draw something here. There is a building which occupies, this is a building, and I'm going to just shade it. This is the building which occupies 1/4 of an acre, and there is another building. I'm going to use another color here. Let me use this color here, and this building is on a bigger lot, and then let us call this lot, I'm going to shade this region here, like that, and then this lot is 1 acre lot. This lot is 1 acre lot. Okay, the question we have is what is the area of the land not occupied by the building? The building is occupying 1/4 acre of the land, and the lot itself is 1 acre lot. What is the area which is not occupied by the building? What that means, what is the open space around the building? So to do that, we're going to first understand what is given to us. Step number 1. Land area is 1 acre, and then building on the land is occupying 1/4 of an acre, and then open space is equal to what? That is the question. So it is, if we look at it, it is a problem related to subtraction. So step number 2, we have a 1 acre lot, and then if we subtract the building area from the whole area, we're going to get the open space. 1 acre lot minus 1/4 acre is going to give us the area of the open space around the building. So therefore, this is a subtraction related problem. So how do we write this? We can write this as follows. Step number 3. We can write 1/1. We can write the whole number as a fraction like that, minus 1/4 as 1/4 like that. We need to find the common denominator between 1 and 4. So if I were to say here, if I were to come back and then say I want to find the least common multiple for the numbers 1 and 4, 4 is the least common multiple for 1 and 4. So in step number 4, we're going to write this as follows. Write the first fraction as is 1 divided by 1, and if we were to multiply this by and divide it by 4, we have a common denominator of 4. And then for the second fraction, we have 1/4, and if we were to multiply and then divide this fraction by 1, we have a common denominator of 4. So here we're going to, let me write in the next step here. In here, we're going to multiply the numerator parts, multiply the denominator parts. 1 times 4 is 4, divided by 1 times 4 is 4, minus, in the second part, 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 1 is 4. So the common denominator is 4, and then we just combine the numerator parts. 4 minus 1 is going to be equal to 3/4. So therefore, the simplified form of 1 acre minus 1/4 acre is going to be equal to 3/4 of an acre. So the open space we can write as the open space after the building occupies 1/4 or 1/4 acre of the lot is going to be equal to the open space on that particular 1 acre lot is going to be equal to 3/4 of an acre. This is our answer. That is where we want to leave it. This is how we want to understand the real world application problems related to fractions. Thank you for listening to this presentation.